Welcome to Big Daddy Storytime. We're reading Disney's Frozen Sparkle Magic. When Elsa was a little girl, she loved to use her sparkly snow magic to have fun with her sister Anna. She made a snowman. She built snow mounts to slide on with magic that swirled and twirled. Once, Anna got hurt. Elsa became afraid of her magic powers. She hid them away for many years. But with Anna's help, Elsa learned how to control her powers and use them for good. Now Elsa is Queen of Arendelle, and there are so many wonderful things she likes to do with her sparkly magic. She helps old friends and new ones. Anna and Elsa have snow fights in the summer and dress up in silly snow costumes. The sisters throw wonderful parties at the palace. Anna prepares tasty treats, while Elsa creates perfect ice sculptures. Elsa loves strolling through the kingdom and playing with her friends. She takes them sledding and ice skating. Every day with Elsa is so much fun. What have we learned today? We have learned from Elsa and Anna. Friendship is forever. We also learned to use our own special powers for good and to help others. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Storytime. Be blessed. Bye-bye.